So here's some tips and tricks and secrets and hacks. One, learn people's names. Before you learn what they do, learn who they are. Learn their name. People love to hear their name. They love when people remember their name. Notice something about people that you sincerely notice and compliment them on it. Pay attention. When you go and you meet a lot of people in a given space, like we're at an event right now, here's something that's really cool. You'll go to an event, you'll meet a ton of people, you have the average interaction with somebody you don't know is going to be 90 seconds when somebody's running here, somebody's running there. People waste 90 seconds with small talk to the point that 10 seconds after the person has left you, you can't even remember their name. Instead, when you meet somebody, ask them their name, ask them where they're from, and then say to them, please tell me something about yourself that you don't usually share with people, but you want me to know to make sure that I never forget you. That is a great introduction with people that you don't know, and you will never forget them. And they will share something they don't usually share, and they will never forget you.